sewer inspection for 7029 Dibble Avenue, Northwest Seattle. We're out about 100 feet, and this is right at the curb line. We have a failed connection point between 6-inch concrete pipe and then 6-inch clay. And this is located, like I said, it's 8 foot deep, pretty much right below the curb. As we come back, we're into 6-inch concrete pipe. This is obviously pretty rough and eroded. A little bit of an offset there on the left side. Another offset forming right there at the bottom of the concrete. Definitely see that the rough concrete is causing quite a bit of toilet paper to get hung up in different places. Little hole, crack forming right here at the bottom of the sewer. Still very rough concrete pipe. Looks like that toilet paper is kind of filling up a little hole on the left side. Another crack starting to form right there in the bottom of the sewer. And right there, the bottom right hand side, you can see that crack. Turn in to come around the back side of the house. Looks like there's a hole and a crack right there on that wall. The wall of that Y turn. It also looks like it's kind of broken there on the left hand side. As well. Get a little bit of sand and rock built up. Another little hole on the left hand side where you can see some rocks starting to creep into the sewer. Another chunk of rock. We have a crack running along the bottom. It's kind of a little bit of a channel running most of the way back to this outside clean out access. You can see it right there as well. Another crack in a hole. Crack still going along the bottom. And there as well. And right there. And right there still. Still cracks in the bottom. And now we're back into the newly installed outside clean out access.